Welcome to the Toyland!
Hey guys and dolls, welcome back to the Toyland. It's M, and it's time to look at another Lego set. Well, only the second Lego set, I believe. I think I've only done one, which I'm looking to rectify, and right now is the first step in that rectification. So, yeah, you got to just watch me build this, put these together. Did it super fast. I'm the Flash, if you guys didn't know. So, but yeah, here's a look at everything complete. Take a look at each of the figures here. Here's Harley. She's cool. She's got like a corset type deal on. She's rocking the red and blue as opposed to the red and black. She alternates. Even her hands are alternate color. It's cool. She does have an alternate face. Her angry face, like many of these guys, have alternate faces. Pretty much the reason I got the set right there was for Harley. And we'll look at Deadshot. He's pretty cool. He's got this little jet pack on him. Focus, there we go. Little jet pack. It just attaches to that black clip there that goes under his head, attaches to his neck. And he's got a big old bazooka. Pretty interesting how that goes together. I love this though. Nice classic Deadshot. Very old school looking. I like it a lot. He was kind of just like a little bonus in this. To stand him up, he's tricky. You see that? I got him leaned back just a hair to compensate for the weight of that bazooka. And here's Batman, which I'm probably going to actually give to my son because I have several Lego Batmen, and he really wants a Lego Batman. He's just got an armored Lego Batman from BBS, but yeah, this one, I have a Batmobile set that's not BVS that I'm actually going to review at some point, and it came with a Batman, but it's different than this. This is actually New 52 Batman. If you look, come on, focus, there we go. He's got them little suit markings, them designs, and that is indicative of the New 52 Batman. He also has no black underwear, which I think one of my other ones does. And, the other one I got in the Batmobile has a different belt style as well. It also, this cowl is not connected at the bottom, and the Batman that comes in my Batmobile, his cowl is connected, so a little different. He's also got alternate face. He's got like grumpy and super grumpy. Or maybe like frumpy and grumpy, I don't know. Let's look at Harley's bike. Hers was a little small. And yeah, she's got the big tire in front. Kind of funny. I put it together, and as I was working on it, I'm like, oh no, did I do this backwards? But no. Excuse me. She has the big tire in front. And I built hers first, as you've seen, and I was a little worried. I'm like, really? These are smaller than I expected. But that's only true for hers. Hers ended up being a bit smaller than I thought. It's not as long as Batman's. You can see it's not as long or as big as Batman's. Here, get a better comparison. There, you can see the Batman one is slightly bigger. But, yeah, pretty simple construction. These move both on both sides. This is their handlebar thing, which has quite a range of motion for whatever reason. Her hammer plugs in over here, and it can be lowered down so she can take dudes out while she's cruising down the street. But it does, it either, you can pop it out of there or you can just pop it off there. I like to pop it off there and keep that little piece on the bottom. Just adds a little bit to the look. So yeah, she's capable of holding that if she wants to, or if you want her to. No projectiles, though. No projectiles on her bike. Batman, however, now you can see he doesn't have pegs for his feet. He's just got this. He lays down. You can see on the box there. He lays down just like he did on the cycle in the Dark Knight series in those movies. When the little, I think they call it the Bat Pod or something, comes out of the Batmobile. Yeah, it's similar to that. These things on the back here, they actually pop out. They're on a ball hinge, so they have a pretty good range of motion. And as you can see, you push that down and it fires this little pellet thing. Stud, that's what they're called. The Lego studs. Brain fart in there for a minute. So yeah, he's got two of those. They both fire. He's got this, which I don't even know what the hell this is. I think it's supposed to be like the jet booster, you know? It's like gives him all the power. But yeah, I mean, that's my best guess. He's got little holders back here on each of these. You can hold the batarangs. He comes with 2 batarangs. I got the other one just sitting over here. And then his grapnel gun. Actually, I got all this. These are all the leftover parts that I had. So if you guys get this set, you know, you're going to have leftover. I noticed that Lego oftentimes puts extras of stuff in the boxes and the sets just in case you were to lose something. There's always another one. So that's cool. So yeah, you guys build this and see you have some spare parts. Don't freak out. It's meant to be that way. But yeah, that's all there really is to this guy. A little bit more going on than the Harley bike with the projectiles and everything. I love this little bat bike though. I think it's pretty cool. Also a bonus. I would have paid the $20 for just the Harley Quinn figure. No, not really. But like I said, that was the main thing. I really wanted this set for that figure. The bikes are just cool little bonuses. Deadshot's a cool little bonus. Didn't take too long to put together. Probably about maybe 40 minutes total. At one point I had to fix, like, I did something wrong and had to go back and fix it. But yeah, easy build. I mean, Legos are pretty much always an easy build. Just the more elaborate and big the set is, you know, the more time it'll consume. So, I guess that's about it. There's a look at this little set. Here, I'll put Harley on her bike. Wait, I mean, and the handle comes up and goes into her hand, kind of, maybe, if it wants to. And like I said, Batman, he don't mess around with them foot pegs. He just holds on and goes. Kick his legs up a little bit there. And there he is. Oh, knocked his gun off. Yeah, pretty funny. I love how he lays on these things. No seat for Batman. So yeah, there you go, guys. If you're thinking about getting this set, jump on it. It's cool. It's a cheap set, $20. They don't get much cheaper than that. You get the cheap like $10 ones, but I mean, I don't really buy any of those. I bought one. I bought that $12 rooftop BVS set, which I think I actually looked at when I did the BVS Batmobile review. But yeah, I really like the $20 to $30 sets. This is a $20 set. Both my Batmobiles, the BVS and the other one, they're both $30 sets, and I love them. Especially the non-BVS Batmobile. That set is killer. I cannot wait to review that. And I will probably do that soon. We'll get a little Lego section going. I'm gonna have to start putting my videos into like what are they called? Playlists. You know, like Lego stuff and comic stuff, Power Rangers, etc., etc. I'm also going to be doing a new segment, which will probably actually start like today's the 11th. It's going to start soon, but I'm going to go ahead and let my beard grow out. I know a lot of people do Novembeards, but I do a Novembeard that usually lasts about 6 months. I can grow a pretty hefty beard. So I'm going to do that, and I'm going to keep track of it in the Toyland just because I can. So you guys can watch my beard grow over the next 6 months. I'll probably do weekly update videos on it. Let you guys see it grow week by week. So yeah, look forward to that if you're into facial hair. Yeah, I think I'm done here. Got you some updates. Got you this little fun review. You got to watch me build these things. So, yeah. Thanks as always for tuning in, guys. I appreciate it. And This weekend, I have a bunch of stuff planned. I'm going to do some crazy stuff, and some really fun stuff, and some stuff I'm super excited about. So, look forward to those videos. There's one in particular that, it's going to be fun. So, yeah, look forward to those. And if you want, tune in and catch them. Until then, keep on rocking, guys.